How to buy XCN token on KuCoin. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So this token, as you can see, it's available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token on KuCoin, click on market sale. As you can see, you will be able to see the KuCoin here. Click on this pair next to it. So after that, you will be able to relax it to KuCoin. So if you don't have an account on KuCoin, go down the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on it and fund your some USDT to benefit from rewards. So after you create an account on KuCoin, what you need to do, click on buy here, select the limit and set here how much you want to buy of that token. And here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT that you have on your account and click on buy XCN. So if you select the markets, you can set here how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT that you have in your account and you're able to use it to buy this token. And after that, you can click on buy XCN. So this is how to buy XCN token on KuCoin. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.